What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here you see I'm cutting the straps on a mower I just picked up from a transport company. They shipped the mower from Florida up here to me and loaded it in the back of the van with a pallet and a forklift. This model is the Toro Flex 2100, and I will go over some of the pros to this mower versus the older Flex. It does have the brush attachment, which I'll probably be removing, but as you see here, here's the current fleet of all the Reel mowers, which the older Flex 21 is actually sold, and I have the John Deere for sale at the moment. But I'm curious to check out this new one and see how it does for the season coming up. Bermuda right now is starting to green up, and we're seeing some growth on it, so I think that we're almost into the mowing season here in Georgia. But all three of these have been excellent machines. It was just something I wanted to update and improve. The Flex 21 cut beautifully, it ran great, and there was nothing wrong with this mower one bit. I just wanted to, like I said, update it. The John Deere, still a solid machine, really simple, reliable machine. It's got the Honda engine on it. It does have the grooming attachment and the light kit. It's just 18 inches wide, which is a little small considering the size of my front yard. But as you see here, it's a very simple machine, which in my eyes equals reliable. There's not many things that go wrong with this machine. The Toros are a little more complex. They have more features and more things that could potentially go wrong. So this one is the older Toro, and it has the Kawasaki engine on it. The newer Toros, they switched to a Subaru engine. They also changed the gearbox and the control kind of dashboard like you see here. This has all been configured on the new one. They changed the kickstand as well. It's updated. The older one did not have a grooming attachment, but the newer one does, and here it is. Looks pretty much the same. Like I said, it's just minor changes and improvements from the older model. The drive and reel engagement is still the same. The way the cutting head attaches to the frame is roughly the same. They did improve the throttle adjustment, and the parking brake lever is different, and this one also has an hourly meter as well, so you can keep track of the hours on the machine for service. There's the Verticut, or the grooming attachment, as you see here. All three of these machines are 11 blade reels. The good news about the newer Toro I just picked up is it does have an adjustment for the clip rate, which I can go into in further detail in other videos, but basically that's the frequency of cut, like the speed of the reel. Typically that is tied to the ground speed, like so if you increase the throttle, and that increases the ground speed, and it also increases the reel speed. But on the newer model that I just picked up, you can change the frequency of the reel speed, and it's not tied to the ground speed anymore. So that's going to be beneficial for basically different heights of cut, because they'll require a different clip speed. So we'll go into that in more detail. Thanks for tuning back in. I'm anxious and excited to get the new season going, and we'll have future videos going over the new mower in more detail, and we'll get the mowing the Bermuda. So if you would, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on any questions you may have, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.